Hi all of you, welcome to my part 11 of basic commands. So in this video I'm going to show you what is inode number and what is the difference between relative path and absolute path. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you the difference as well. So let's get start with your inode number. As you all can see, this is your inode number. So what is inode number? Let me open my browser. Here you can see an inode is an index node. It serves as a unique identifier for a specific piece of metadata on a given file system. You can read on Google after this video. Let me explain you. So what is inode number? If let's say that if there is a file, as you all can see here, there is a file of 8 KB. Alright, let me use my pen. Let me change color. Let me change it to red. So in here you can see that point should be 5. I think this is good. Yeah, so here you can see that your file 1 is of 8 KB. So now one block is equal to 4 KB, as you all can see here. Alright, one block is equal to 4 KB. So when you create something, for example, you are creating a file and that file is of 8 KB. That file size is of your 8 KB. So your one block is equal to 4 KB, which means it takes two blocks. Alright, because one box contain 4 KB, one is here, one is here. So it will, as you all know, the data is stored in Linux in a form of blocks. So it will takes only two blocks, because 4 plus 4 is 8 and your one block is equal to 4 and your file size is equal to 8. So it means it takes 4. But if your file has 16, if your file size is of your 16 KB, so it takes your 4 blocks. So your inode number will be 1, because it is starting from first block. Alright, so let me show you in your Linux as well. Alright, let me rub this. Now let me explain you what is absolute path and relative path and what is the difference. Let me create something. Let me first rub this. Alright, now it is good. So now let's take, suppose that there is this is your 1, now there is your 2. Alright, so this is your 2 and this is your 3. Alright, and this is your 4. Now you are here, you are right now here at the place of 1. You can say that you are in this directory and you are going, you have write command cd 1/2/3. So you have given a direct path, which is your absolute path you have given to this, and you have reached your destination. Alright, so this is your absolute path. So let me now show you what is relative path. So there is a really small difference. So now assume that you are here in this 4 number directory, you are here. Now you will do cd double dot to go back. As you can see here, you will do cd double dot to go back in this 2. Now you are going into here into 3. It means this is your not direct path, this is your relative path but not direct path. So this is your relative path. And now the question comes that which one is better between relative path and this absolute path. So my answer is, it depends on your use case. It's all depend on your use case. Alright, so now let's see. Let me first start my server. Let me rub this as well. Alright, so now let me show you both of these things. Alright, so let me first start my server. Where is my Red Hat server? There it is. As you all know, this master is your master is your control plane. This is server of your Kubernetes, as you all know who are watching my playlist. So I prefer you all to watch not from here in my video section. Go on playlist if you want to learn Jenkins. Alright, if you want to learn like where is my Jenkins, let me see. If you want to learn Jenkins, there it is. If you want to learn Red Hat system certified, you can learn Alright, if you want to learn Git and GitHub, you can see there is also your playlist. If you want to learn Docker, there is also your playlist. If you want to learn Kubernetes, there is also your playlist. Alright, and yeah, there is a playlist of Ansible as well, and there is playlist of DevOps as well, but I haven't uploaded uh, instead of Linux, I haven't uploaded anything here. Alright, I prefer to watch from this here, from playlist section. And I want to thank you all for 67 subscribers are reached on my channel. And let me now configure first my key, as you all know. Alright, let me configure my Red Hat 1 key, and now this is your putty. Here you also have to configure, as you all know. Alright, auth. Now here you have to select your Red Hat server. Now it's time to copy here your IP. So you can see that my server is also started. Now it's time to show you. So now it's time to log in. Alright, accept, login as Ubuntu, not Ubuntu, this is your EC2 hyphen user. Alright, now it's time to change font. Font should be, I think, 26, 28, and color should be for today. Which color should I pick? I think white is good for now. Now it's time to, why my font is not bold? Let me first log in as root user. For that you have to do sudo -i. Alright, now it's time to clear screen again. Now it's time to first let me change font style to, it is bold, so let me change font. Alright, this is bolder. Now you can see this is good. So let me first check here what is the stuff. File 11 and file 22. Alright, so now it's time to show you the inode number. If you do ls-l, it will show you all the information. Alright, but it will not show you the inode number. For that, what is command? ls-il. Alright, you have to write il. Now as you can see that this is the inode number of this file. Alright, and this is the inode number of this file. So they both are, you can see the inode number is different because the file is also different. So that's why your inode number is also different. As you all can see, rest of the information you all know what is that. So now it's time to show you the relative path. Let me clear all the stuff here. Why this R is typing 2 times? So let me remove all this stuff to give space here as well. Now let me see, there is nothing, as you all can see. Let me create a parent directory, mkdir for parent. As you all know, -p is the synopsis. And now in the A directory, not here, let me write here. So in A create B, in B create C, in C create D. Alright, command, alright, mkdir, I missed D. Now as you all can see that if I run that tree command, as you all can see, in the A there is B, now there is C, and there is D. So first I am showing you the relative, sorry, not the relative, the absolute path. Alright, so let me show you the absolute path. So to show absolute path, what should I run the command? I think cd to change directory. In A there is P, there is C, there is D. You want to go in D. Alright, now you can see that you are in D directory. As you all can see, you are here. If I run the command present working directory, show the present working directory. So as you all can see, now you are here. Alright, in D directory. But let me create something, let me go. So this is your absolute path. Alright, let me go back. in C directory, let me make something else, -p. In C, let me make E, here E, F, G. Alright, so let me see. So these directories are created or not. As you all can see, in the E direct in the D direct yes, in the E directory there is your F and G. So you are in right now in C, present working directory. As you all can see, you are now in C directory. So now let me go to your G directory. How you can do go? First you have to go to E, F, G. Now as you all can see, if I do pwd, now you are here. Alright, you are in your G directory now. But if you want to go to D directory, how you can go? So let me run the tree command first. So there is no tree command because it doesn't work. There is no your directory or file after G directory or in G directory. So let me clear this. If you want to go to D directory, how you can go? cd double dot, you have to go to first G, first you have to go F. Now you have to go to now you are in your E directory. Now you have to go to your D directory. No, now you are in E directory. Now you have to go in your C directory, and now you are in D directory. Alright, so if I run this command, I think it should work. You don't have to mention space between this. Yeah, everything is good right now. So let's run this command. Now as you all can see that you are in D directory now. If I run this tree command, there is nothing, because as you all know, there is nothing in your D directory. So this is your relative path, which means first let me close my server, and forget to subscribe, but don't forget to share to somebody. Also don't forget to stop this machine. Alright, let me press this OK. Alright, so what I have done, let me show you on my board. So what you have did, so what I did, so I made a directory A. In this there was B, in this there was C, and here there was E, F, G. Alright, and now there is your D. So let me write with your A, B, C, D. Alright, E, F, G. Alright, so now what I did, if you write a command, alright, let me do one thing. So as you all can see here, cd A B C D, alright, not EF. So this is your absolute path. But in the next, what I showed you in the relative path, I first go from here, from G to F, it means double dot, from F to E double dot, from E to C double dot. Alright, at that place I have mentioned that I want to go to D directory. So this is your relative path. Let me write it here. You can see here where I am creating arrow. Alright, so I have created cd double dot. Now I am in F, first two dots, now F, first then two dots, now E, and now two dots, it means I am in C. Now I mentioned the D. So now this is your relative path. Alright, this is the difference between your relative path and absolute path. I think you should are now familiar what is this. Alright, and in the next video I will make a video, the second part of user management, and from tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will upload another video on that user management. So that is also a very important topic of Linux. So I think this is enough for today. I will meet you in my next video.